Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment or questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Today I'm going to be showcasing the Westgate Las Vegas Hotel. This is in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's one of the casinos. It used to be the Hilton, and this here is the double queen size bed. And let me show how it looks like. And you can see the amenities that they include. Let's take a look at the restroom real quick. It's pretty standard, I guess. And right now to take a look at the room itself. So this is, like I said, the 2 queen size beds, and you can see the room here. They do provide a refrigerator, a small refrigerator for you. Then you can see there the flat screen TV. And I guess a picture of Elvis Presley and Marilyn Monroe. I guess that's the theme of these rooms. And they have a safe as well. They have a granite countertop, so you could do your work or do whatever on there. And then in this case, I have a room with a view. Let me see if I can get it good. Okay, that's for Las Vegas Boulevard. Okay, and this is the other side, or the opposite side of the room. So let me know what you think. If you like the room, if you have any questions, like I said before, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.